Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with CapCut for mobile video post-production, beginner guide. Begin by downloading the CapCut app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app on your mobile device after the download is complete. Open CapCut by tapping on the app icon. Upon opening, you will see the home screen with various options. Tap on the New Project button to start. You may need to grant the app permission to access your photos and videos. After granting permissions, select the media files you want to edit. Tap on the Add button to include the selected files in your project. Once your files are added, you will be taken to the editing interface. Explore the various editing tools available, such as trimming, splitting, and adding effect. To register, look for an option usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the profile icon or the settings gear. You will see options to log in or create an account. If you don't have an account, select the Sign Up option. You can register using your email address or a social media account. Fill in the required information if you choose to sign up with an email. Create a strong password for your new account. After entering your information, tap the Register button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation link if you registered with an email. Click the link to verify your account and complete the registration process. Return to the CapCut app and log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, you can access all the features the app offers. You are now ready to start editing your videos with CapCut. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.